I talk a lot about the importance of data and how we need to gather data, but not just get more information, but analyze that, make sense of the data, and turn it into something meaningful. Today, as your tour guide to the future, I'm actually in Oman. I'm at the Royal Academy of Management, and they have built the most remarkable data center. Let me see if I can show you a little bit of it here. What you have is a screen where you have access to some of the world's leading indicators in a variety of different categories. So let's go into global competitiveness and governance. All they've taken is readily available, publicly available indices. They reckon they've got nearly 100 different indexes here. So let's have a look over here at the Global Innovation Index, whatever that might be. We'll pick it up in a second. And we just apply it to the big screen. So you'll be able to see behind me here just the global index. It tells me it comes from the World Intellectual Property Organization. And then on the other side, it's picked up Oman. And some of the indicators from the index that link to Oman, telling us that they are 55th in the world, that they have a GCC rank. That's the 6 GCC countries. They're not going to like that they are 5th there. And then it indicates some of the areas in which they need to improve. Just a wonderful dashboard. But here's the really cool thing. We can now choose any other country. Let me go to my home country of South Africa. And I'm just going to pull that up here. So we've got all the countries in the world. I'm guessing all the countries included in this index. I add South Africa to the list and I apply it. And now we get a comparison between South Africa and Oman. And we are able to compare them head to head, looking at everything from GDP indexes to population, and then some of the scrolling data from that particular index. The press of a button, we're able to access different indices, link and match different countries together. And Oman, and this is essentially the Royal Academy of Management, is the center of the development of leadership and management capabilities for the country, directly reporting to the Sultan, to the royal family, and the leaders of business. And they have at their fingertips not just data, but data that has been transformed into visualizations and information that, for me, the key thing is the matrices over here saying what's improved over the last year since the previous index, what still needs to be improved, and then you can dig in and have a look at some of the actual things that need to be done. Data is vital, but data transformed into insight that then informs actions is actually what we need to be doing. Do you have a head of data analytics? Do you have a head of insights, a chief officer for analytics and for wisdom that can help you to do this in your organization? You should have.